What's going on, everybody? Trying to find a good angle for the camera. Can't find one. But this is what I got going on today. A little swim bait. Well, it's not little, it's kind of big actually. It's about, put it on a roller. 1, 2. This is 5. This is 6 inches, so it's about a 5 3/4 inch. We'll just call it 6 inches. Swim bait here, and I'm trying to think of what color I'd like to use, and coming up with red again. I look at my baits and I don't have enough red baits, so I'm gonna try one with this one, a little darker red, sort of natural colors to it. So let's see what we can do. So even though it's white already, I'm gonna give it another primer coat of white. That way the paint sticks to it better. We'll go with reducer 1, 2, 3, like 10 drops of reducer, and 10 drops of this Createx white. Createx white. Y'all ready? Got this yesterday. A little spray. What do you call that thing? Spray paint disposal. Well, rather than just shooting it in the trash can, which is what I was doing. Now I got a proper one of these spray tidy professional airbrush cleaning station and tool set. W&W Watson and Webb. It is glass. It's pretty heavy duty. Stick your, you can put your airbrush right there. I did have this little thing going. Here's my old master airbrush. It's okay. Works. If that's all you got, that's all you got. But again, I'm using I always like to let y'all know that I'm using a Wada HPCS Eclipse and a master air compressor that came with that master airbrush set. And this is my little stir stick that I got going on. And that's it. I'll give it a little back blow, and PSI is about 20. And here we go. Don't want to get none of this in my drink. Yeah, I don't have a fan on today, so this paint is just like going right into my stuff here. I might have to turn the fan back on. it. One good. One good coat of. Since it's already white, I'm not going to give it another one. I'm just going to go with that. So y'all know, like in the old days, they used to have these red and white plugs, like top water plugs. They were just red in front and white in the back. Well, that's like a classic color combo for fishing lures, and I was thinking red here, white in the back, and then I'll double mesh it. Double mesh with this one here, and just have the mesh pattern on the back kind of gradually fading out and looking like real cool bright red in front, and then that mesh fade off into the back, and maybe some darker tail fins here. So that's what I'm thinking. Might change. Let's give it a shot. So here it is. Red and red out back here, but with some white veins, right? And then maybe I'll dabble in some yellow in there a little bit. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Maybe here we go.
I guess you want to see the unveiling. Let's see what we got here. Ready?
Yeah. There. Look at that. You might want to just leave it like that. Looks like it'd be good for salt water, huh? I'm digging it. How about a dot on the back here in the tail? Okay, cleaned out the chamber. I decided to go with a little, this is one of my favorite colors. It's a sap green hue. We'll do this little pattern on the back. 3 drops, straight up. We'll do this little pattern on the tail here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I forgot to turn the record button on, I guess. Sorry. But here's what I got. I always think the fish should have a darker top, and I got that red scales on the side, and it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, I think. Right? Yay or nay? This side needs that little fish, little pattern. So let's take care of that real quick. Let's put some eyes on it. So first thing I do is put some glue on there. Just a little bit of gel glue. Green cat eyes or snake eyes or whatever you want to call these. What do you think? Same thing with the other side. There it is, done. All it needs is a clear coat and my initials. Hope y'all liked the video. See you next time.